Welcome, dear students, to the second day of our grammar marathon. Today we're gonna speak about different aspects of the language. We know 4 aspects: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. We know different tenses: present, past, and future. Different combinations of the aspects and the tenses give us what we know tenses in the English language, like present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. And today I would like to discuss with you the differences between present perfect and past simple, present perfect continuous and past continuous, because these 2 groups of tenses and aspects are the most confusing ones. Let's start with present perfect. Present perfect is interested in 2 moments: result and experience. We see result now in the present moment, but the action happened in the past. For example, I have accomplished grammar marathon. The result is that you understand grammar now, but the action has happened in the past and has happened recently. What is important when we speak about different aspects is time expressions, because time expressions help us to define what aspect to choose. If we use the words recently, already, just, or yet, or a few moments ago, or this summer, we need to use perfect, because perfect is the result. If you say, "Oh wow, you look great. I have just returned from vacation." If you want to speak about your experience, you might also need present perfect. For example, I have visited 29 countries and I'm not gonna stop. I have met at this party a lot of interesting people. We have been together since 2019. I have been a teacher for 15 years and I'm really happy about that. As far as you see, I'm speaking now about my experience and about the results of life. So whenever you need to speak about results, experiences, use present perfect. On the contrary, past simple is used when we would like to mention the time of the past action and we don't have any connection with the present. When I was a child, I collected Kinder Hippo. We have the time in the past when I was a child, particular, specific time in the past, and we have an action in the past and we don't have any connection with the present. If to compare these 2 tenses, present perfect and past simple is always interested in the action, particular moment in the past, and present perfect is not interested in when, it's interested in the result in the present. Present perfect, it's like Tom doesn't have any money. He has spent all his money on his girlfriend. Let's transform this example into the past simple one. Yesterday, Tom spent all his money on his girlfriend. So you see, actually for us, it doesn't matter. In the Ukrainian language, we would change only yesterday. Form of the verb would stay the same. In the English language, it's a different story. If you add yesterday, automatically you need to use past simple, because past simple is always interested in when. If you start a question with when did you meet? It means that you need to use past simple in the answer too. We met in 2019. If you speak about unfinished moment and it has the relation to the present moment, for example, "Oh, you look tired." Yes, I have cleaned my room. It means that you have finished this action and now you have a result that you feel tired or you look tired. If the day is not over or not finished yet, you have all the rights to use present perfect. It means, today I've had a wonderful lunch with my colleague. Today I've met Jack. How did he look? Oh, he looked fantastic. Quite interesting moment when, first of all, we use present perfect and when we add information, because we refer to this moment in the past. That's why in the additional sentences which we add, we're more likely to use past simple rather than present perfect in this case. We use past simple with next time expressions. Last summer, last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Or 2 years ago, 5 years ago, last year, yesterday. Yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away. Let's compare present perfect continuous and past continuous. Present perfect continuous is the tense which we use again to show the result plus this action was continuous and in the progress. Let's take the same example with, oh, you look tired now. It's happening now. You see the result now that the person who you are speaking with is very, very tired, and the person is answering, oh, because I have been doing yoga or I have been doing CrossFit. It means that just recently this action finished. So this person maybe has already come back, but he or she would like to emphasize that this action was long. He or she has been doing yoga. He or she has been doing CrossFit. We would like to show that for 2 hours, longer period of time, they have been doing something. In the case we use present perfect continuous, if we start a question with how long, if you still continue doing that, for example, how long have you been working for this company? How long have you been talking on the phone? Imagine that you ran to your friend and you're asking your friend, oh my God, I'm sorry for being late. How long have you been waiting? It means that still a person is waiting. On the contrary, past continuous defines the action that has no relation to the present moment. It means that if you change the sentence in how long were you waiting, it means that now you don't see a person, this person disappeared, and this person is not waiting you anymore. It means that you are asking most probably about yesterday. How long were you waiting for me yesterday? Past continuous we use with a long action, but in the past. I would say that roughly past continuous and past simple are the same pot, and present perfect continuous and present perfect are in the different pot, because here in the perfect action we speak about result, and result plus the action was long. In past simple, past continuous, we speak about the facts that happened in the past and we don't have any relation to the present moment. Simple, the action was short, it's just a fact, and in past continuous, you would like to emphasize that the action was long. I was waiting you for 5 hours yesterday. I was speaking with him for 2 hours 2 days ago, and he didn't seem happy to me. So it means that not now. And if you use present perfect continuous, it means that you probably are still in the process of doing this action. Pay attention that if we have continuous aspect, perfect continuous or just continuous aspect, we cannot use dative verbs. Dative verbs describe emotions, feelings, senses, and states. It's not about continuous, because continuous we can make only from the action verbs. That's it for today. Please do a short test after this video, and tomorrow we're gonna speak about different ways how we can express future. And believe me, that's not gonna be only future simple or be going to. I'm gonna surprise you. So see you tomorrow.